Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this week we are going to try another protective style. I'm going to begin by oiling my scalp. I'm using the organic growth oil from Zillions. We sell this oil on our website zillions.com. It has aloe vera, moringa, avocado oil and castor oil. It helps to control a flaky scalp, an itchy scalp, a dry scalp, and it promotes hair growth. And I just need just a few drops. Onto my scalp. Okay, so my hair is already detangled. I'm going to add a bit of gel, Cantu styling gel, and the style we are going to make today is going to require a high puff. That's why I need this gel to slick down my hair. Now, my hair is naturally soft, so when I apply gel, the gel penetrates much faster. But if your hair is a little bit different from mine, you may want to work your hair in sections when you're applying the gel. But mine, most times once I apply gel, I don't have to make sections. Okay. I want to find the middle, the highest middle point of my head. Let's see what we get. If anyone is struggling with a dry scalp or an itchy scalp, try out our hair growth oil, because all the oils in there are organic. They will help you with any issues with the scalp. Okay, so that's the kind of puff I want to hold today. I'm going to hold it up. Now, to be able to hold any flyaway hair, I'm using this Got2b styling gel for just that extra slickness and to hold all the hair. I'm going to tie my hair and I will be back. I'm going to tie it on top of my puff. Then I divide this hair. So this one will go to the back. Then with this one, I'm going to just divide it like this. Now let's see this one. Let me take up a little bit more. I want to create front bangs. Now I'm going to pull it to this position. And then hold this hair from here and this side too. Okay, this hair away. For now, I'm going to hold our remaining hair and turn it around my bun. Now I'm going to turn it around . Okay, so that's our bun. I'm going to add a little bit of freeze spray from Got2b. Now let's get to the front hair and see what we can make out of these bangs. Now I'm going to section it. I want my extreme ends to be a little bit long. Okay, like this. this side. So I'm going to take these away for now and work with this. Okay, now we are going to cut them. I'm going to first put them to a size just above my nose to see how that feels. Okay, I think that's it's still a little bit long for me. I'm going to put it further. And then I will work with this. I'm going to use the upward motion to make it neat. Okay. Okay. Now with the extreme end here, I'm going to use a diagonal motion to shape it. Okay. It's going to make it. Now I'm going to use the upward motion . I'm going to do the same to this side. Okay. And then I'll use the upward motion too. Bit neat. Okay. I'm going to use a straightener to straighten out these bangs. I'm using this bling straightener. We sell this straightener on our website, zillions.com. Check it out. It has a temperature control, so you're able to know how much heat you're using. Now, since this is synthetic hair, I don't want to use too much heat on it. So I'm going to be able to control the temperature that I'm going to use on here. And if your straightener does not have a temperature control piece, then you just want to be able to plug it into the heat and then switch it out, and make sure you're using really low heat. Okay. You want to shape it to the level that makes you feel comfortable and not irritating or falling into your eyes. So my friends, this is our look for today. I have really enjoyed styling this look today. I hope you enjoyed the video too. And for all those who have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing so you can enjoy very many more videos on how to style your natural hair or how to care for your hair. And for all those who have already subscribed, please, thank you so much for the support. Until next week, cheers.